administration is issuing a new rule that would close the loophole that allows these junk insurance plans to exploit Americans. Under our rule, short-term plans would have to be short-term. That means 4 months or less, not 3 years. Insurance companies would also be required to provide a clear disclaimer up front about what's covered and what is not covered instead of burying it in fine print. Second, we're cracking down on surprise medical bills, which I thought we had made some progress on. You've already heard stories about people who choose a hospital that's in their insurance network, and they get a surprise bill for thousands of dollars because the hospital assigned them an anesthesiologist who wasn't in their network, without them knowing that. In January 2022, we ended surprise medical billing, so hospitals that are in-network can't send you a surprise bill for an out-of-network doctor that you did not choose or even know he was consulted. And over the past 18 months, we protected 1 million Americans every single month from these surprise bills. But these are bills that cost people hundreds of thousands of dollars. But get this, some healthcare providers are trying to get around the rule by putting in place the rule we put in place to prevent this surprise billings. The travel industry figured out how to charge customers $90 a night resort fees for hotels that aren't resorts. You think I'm kidding? Hospitals are trying to do something similar by using different designations to charge their higher out-of-network rates, or charging hidden facility fees for going to a doctor's office in the building owned by the hospital. And some hospitals are working with credit card companies to promote medical credit cards. Sounds good. Consumers can use these cards to borrow money to pay for the procedures and to get charged in the hospital, but they get charged higher interest rates as a result of that. It's wrong. It's wrong. Today, my administration is closing these surprise billing loopholes. Evading the law and playing games to charge pays and outrageous prices has to end. It has to end.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.